Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to create a business thumbnail design using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and add a bold headline. I pause because thumbnails decide clicks. I convert the text into 3D. The 3D Workspace appears. I increase depth slightly. I rotate text for energy. Business thumbnails need instant impact. I adjust lighting for contrast. I zoom out and test readability. The thumbnail now looks strong and clickable. 3D Workspace boosts visibility naturally. I stop editing at peak